NPS, this is just a young motivational speech from Ontong.
Chat, you see, chat? Doesn't matter. You're alcoholic. You're addict. You can change. You know what I mean? You can change. Even I don't want to change. Don't worry about me.
Hello?
Don't worry about me. You see? This is coming straight addict and alcoholic.
Hello? Hello?
My brother, it's no bizarre motivation to the people, my brother. You understand? And I just want to say something. You see, there's a lot of things we go through in this life, right? But I just pray you don't put your ankles under pressure like he put his ankle under pressure. Dayong, that's the worst thing you can do to yourself, my mother. Muni personal. Don't put your ankles under pressure.
Huwag ko nas magka-after. This motivational speech.
Yeah, but I'm saying